Good morning mga kabubuyog! Nandito tayo sa Bukawi, Bulacan. Pupuntahan natin ang NSCR Bukawi Station Site. Titingnan natin kung ano na nga bang nagbago doon, ano na nga bang progress, meron na nga bang trapal. Kasi nung nakaraang punta natin dito, kumpleto na yung roof trusses. Samahan nyo kami mga kabubuyog. Lipara natin ang Bukawi Station Site. Yan mga kabubuyog, nandito na tayo sa may palengke ng Bukawi. Yan, malapit na tayo dito sa may tulay ng Bukawi. Approaching na tayo ng flyover. Hindi tayo aakyat doon kasi pupunta tayo doon sa NSCR Bukawi Station Site nga. Dito tayo sa ilalim. Pagka nasa ilalim na tayo, kakaliwa. Yan yung way papunta ng Santa Maria, Bulacan. So dire-diretso lang. Oh, maganda na kalsada dito. Walang masyadong traffic ngayon kasi tanghali na. Wala pa rin ng araw, hindi pa rin nagpapakita ang haring araw, nakasilip lang siya. Alanganin tayong paliparin si Bubuyog, pero sana hindi katulad kahapon nung nagpalipad tayo umaambon-ambon. Nga lang nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na makapagpalipad kasi huminto naman siya. Anyways, nandito na tayo sa may kalsada na papuntang Santa Maria, Bulacan. And ayan, kung matatanaw nyo sa bandang kanan, nandyan ang Bukawi Station Site. O, diba? And wala nang mga scaffolding sa gilid. And dito naman ang kaganapan dito, mukhang maglalagay na sila ng parapet walls. So dito sa baba, walang makikitang gumagawa. Ayan. Tingnan natin mula sa kuha ni Bubuyog, mula sa taas kung anong view. Lipad na, Bubuyog!
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Yan mga kabubuyog, naliparan na natin itong Bocaue Station site, and shout out sa Petron dito sa Bocaue. Naliparan na natin, and yun nga, kompletong-kompleto na talaga yung roof trusses, and ready na siyang lagyan ng trapal ng lona. So same lang siya ng sa giginto, sa balagtas, ganun ang magiging yari niya. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea, ilalagay ko yung link. Sa Malolos, ganun din, magkakaroon din siya ng ganyan din ang yari. Paramihan yata ganun, nga lang yung structure ng pinaka-building, doon lang nagkakaiba, kasi sa bandang Kalumpit, sa bandang yung mga susunod na station banda dun sa Panorth, naging steel beam na siya, yung pinaka-poste. So dito, concrete, mula sa Malolos papunta ng Valenzuela ay puro concrete, and karamihan dyan nakatayo na. Ang hindi pa nakakatayo yung sa Kalumpit, Apalit, Angeles, wala pa. San Fernando, wala pa rin. Antabayanan na lang natin yung paglalagay ng trapal dito sa Bocaue. Yan ang pakaabangan natin kung kailan ba nila sisimulan. Pero nagkaroon tayo ng info this January daw, uumpisahan ng lagyan ng lona. Antabayanan natin yan. Siguro, humahanap lang sila ng tiyempo na maganda panahon, ganyan. Pero, ayun, okay na, tingnan nyo. Nakalipad ng maayos si Bubuyog. Kaya lang, hindi natin kakampi yung araw kanina nung habang nasa taas si Bubuyog kasi makulimlim. Pero, maganda ang panahon ngayon. Hindi katulad kahapon. Yan muna, mga kabubuyog, ang update natin dito sa Bocaue Station site. Thank you sa mga sumama.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and the notification bell down below. Thank you.